they talking about energy source? Flash love. What they talking about? And Kiki Palmer, what it do? What it do? What? What's in there? Yeah. Eat the fish. You do. What? What?
Cat. It's just standing there.
Fake. Fake. You look like a fake kitty cat. What it do? What it do? What's up? What's up with it? Y'all say, man. Say y'all. Check it out, y'all. Say y'all. Say y'all. Man, say y'all. Man, say y'all. Man, say y'all. We ain't playing no game, y'all. We just hit. The Cooking with Love just hit, y'all. It just blew up again, y'all. We just hit 60 and 2K, y'all. You hear me? Oh, yeah. We ain't playing no games, y'all. God, dog, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. You hear me? We ain't playing no games, y'all. Pop out, rock out, man. Be yourself. Be your channel, y'all. No cap. Ooh, wee. What's up with it? What's up with it? Represent, y'all. Ooh, wee. Cooking Love just went up to 60 and 2K, y'all. You hear me? Yo, man, it is. What's up with it? Y'all say, man. Say, y'all. What's up with it, y'all? I would have been on live, man. But say, man, I had to cook up some shit. You hear me? I had to cook up some shit, y'all. Check this shit out, y'all. I cooked up some shit, y'all. Check it out. With the blue cap. No cap, y'all. Oh, yeah, I made some good old corn, y'all. Some old corn. Some good old greens, y'all. Check it out. Check it out, y'all. I don't play no game. Good old mashed potato, y'all. Some good old baked beans. Check it out, y'all. Oh, man. Say.